Welcome to Media Britonics, and thank you for choosing to spend your time here today. This video is made for anyone who wants to understand affiliate marketing in a clear and honest way. Affiliate marketing is a business model that focuses on promoting products or services created by other companies. When someone makes a purchase or completes an action through your unique link, you earn a commission. This method allows beginners to start without creating their own products. It also works well for people who enjoy sharing useful information. In this tutorial, everything will be explained step by step in simple language. Affiliate marketing begins with understanding how recommendations work online. People already ask for advice before buying something. Affiliate marketing simply turns that advice into a tracked referral. You join a company program that gives you a special link. That link records activity that comes from your promotion. If the conditions are met, you receive a reward. This system is widely used across many industries. It is built on trust and transparency. One important part of affiliate marketing is choosing the right niche. A niche is a specific topic or interest group you focus on. It could be technology, education, fitness, or online tools. Choosing a niche you understand makes content creation easier. It also helps you speak honestly and confidently. Audiences can sense when advice is genuine. Long-term success depends on staying consistent within one area. After selecting a niche, the next step is finding affiliate programs. Many companies offer affiliate partnerships directly on their websites. Some platforms connect you with many brands in one place. Always read the program rules carefully before joining. Pay attention to commission rates and payment methods. Make sure the products align with your audience needs. Promoting relevant products improves credibility. Understanding the product you promote is very important. You should never promote something you do not understand. Spend time learning what the product does and who it is for. This helps you explain its value clearly. Honest explanations build long-term trust. Trust leads to repeat viewers and readers. That trust is more valuable than short-term income. Content is the main tool in affiliate marketing. Content can be videos, articles, social posts, or tutorials. The goal is to help people make informed decisions. Educational content performs better than aggressive promotion. Focus on solving problems instead of pushing sales. When people feel helped, they naturally explore your recommendations. This approach follows platform guidelines and audience expectations. Video platforms are popular for affiliate marketing. Videos allow you to explain concepts clearly and show real use cases. Viewers can hear your tone and see your expressions. This creates a stronger connection. Clear explanations improve watch time and engagement. Always be transparent about affiliate links. Transparency builds trust and follows platform rules. Written content also plays a strong role. Blog posts and guides allow detailed explanations. Search engines can bring long-term traffic to written content, while written articles answer specific questions. They also allow readers to learn at their own pace. Combining written and video content increases reach. Consistency across formats strengthens your brand. Affiliate links must be placed thoughtfully. Links should feel natural within your content. Do not overload pages or descriptions with links. Explain why you recommend something before sharing the link. This makes the recommendation feel helpful. Clear placement improves user experience. Always follow platform link guidelines. Tracking performance is another key part of affiliate marketing. Most programs provide dashboards with statistics. These show clicks, conversions, and earnings. Reviewing this data helps you improve your strategy. You can see what content performs best. Data helps you focus on what works. Improvement comes from understanding results. Building an audience takes time and patience. Affiliate marketing is not an instant success path. Growth comes from consistent effort and learning. Posting regularly helps people remember your content. Engaging with comments builds community. Community trust leads to steady growth. Patience separates lasting creators from short-term attempts. Email lists can support affiliate marketing when used responsibly. Emails allow direct communication with interested people. Always provide value before sharing recommendations. Respect privacy and follow email rules. A trusted email list can bring repeat engagement. Quality matters more than quantity. Responsible communication builds loyalty. Social media can expand your reach. Different platforms attract different audiences. Choose platforms that match your content style. Share helpful tips rather than constant promotions. Short content can guide people to longer resources. Consistent branding helps recognition. Engagement matters more than follower count. Legal and ethical practices are very important. Always disclose affiliate relationships clearly. This is required by many platforms and laws. Honest disclosure protects you and your audience. Avoid misleading claims or unrealistic promises. Stick to real benefits and limitations. Ethical behavior builds long-term credibility. Choosing quality over quantity improves results. Promoting fewer products with deeper explanations works better. Audiences appreciate careful recommendations. Repeated promotion of random items reduces trust. Focus on products you would personally use. Authenticity stands out in crowded spaces. Quality content creates loyal followers. Learning never stops in affiliate marketing. Platforms, rules, and audience behavior change over time. Stay updated through trusted sources. Test new content styles carefully. Learn from feedback and analytics. Adaptation keeps your content relevant. Growth comes from continuous improvement. Avoid copying other creators directly. Original voice makes your content unique. Inspiration is fine, but authenticity matters more. Share your own perspective and experiences. This makes your content relatable. Audiences value originality. Unique content stands out naturally. Consistency in tone and message helps brand identity. Use similar visuals and language across content. This helps people recognize your work easily. A clear identity builds familiarity. Familiarity increases trust over time. Trust supports long-term engagement. Brand clarity is a strong asset. Time management is essential for creators. Set realistic schedules you can maintain. Burnout slows progress and creativity. Balance creation, learning, and rest. Sustainable habits lead to steady growth. Long-term consistency beats short bursts. Care for your workflow. Affiliate marketing rewards honesty and patience. It is about helping people make better choices. Income grows as trust grows. There are no shortcuts to lasting success. Focus on value and clarity. Respect your audience at every step. This mindset aligns with platform expectations. Thank you for watching this video until the end. I truly appreciate you spending your time here with Media Britannics. If you found this video helpful, please support the channel by subscribing. Do not forget to like the video if it added value for you. Your support helps this channel grow steadily. If you have any questions or thoughts, leave them in the comments section. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe this channel, like the video if you found the video great, and if you have any questions, leave me your comment through the comments section.